Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending when you're watching this video from. In today's training, I'll be walking you through step-by-step guide on how to trade wedge pattern. But before we start, I will let you know that chart pattern seems to be the most convenient trading strategy for me because chart pattern gives you objective to recall what happens in the past for you to use it to predict what may happen in the future. That's it. So coming to this chart pattern that I'm about to teach you today, wedge patterns is just a trend ending reversal forex chart pattern. You get the point? It's just a trend ending reversal chart pattern. So things you need to know, this is the key points you need to know before you can trade this pattern called wedge. First, the price must be in a mature downtrend. That's the first key point. It must be in a matured downtrend. Second key point for you to know that this is wedge pattern is that when connecting the lows and highs, the price will show you a symbol of wedge. The third thing is the entry, which is the breakout. The breakout candle must be a very good one. It's a very good momentum candle. Once you find that, you know that your criteria that are required to trade chart pattern is what is there. So let's move into the live example for you to see how this works. This completes downtrend and is what in a matured world downtrend. That shows you the first criteria we list out for this training. So a trend, a price that rallies up from here to here is a very good one. So a lot of trader that short this market is on unrealized profit. You get the point. So going to the second point is called what? Connecting the wedge, connecting the high. Sorry, if you connect this high, this is the last high to this one. What do you notice? You notice that it did not shows such momentum here, unlike here. You get the point. So let's connect the other low to see if we find a wedge pattern. Okay, you saw what happened there. So this is unlike wedge. It must not be perfect because it's not textbook teaching. So the next thing we need to do is to wait for breakout. So if eventually after this price can be able to break out with a very good momentum candle, we are doing it. We are entering the trade. Simple as that. So let's see what happens in future. Perfect. This is a very beautiful breakout. Can you see that? So these are things we need. So once you find these breakouts, conservative traders may wait for pullback. Maybe they wait for pullback to have it this way. But for me, once I found a very good momentum breakout, I'm entering the trade straight away. You get the point. So that's how I trade it. Now I'm targeting this is the first. This is the last high I may target. So it's not a must. You make 1:3 in 1 just 1:2 is okay for you. So entering this trade here, let's see what happens in future. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. See how the trade is won. So let's move to the second example. The second example I've got to show you is to tell you that nothing works 100% in trading. So don't find this chart pattern a holy grail. It has been there for long, but I want you to know that this is a very good chart pattern to capitalize on as a beginner. So we are a very good downtrend. Everybody can see that. It's not a joke. It's a beautiful downtrend. So that this is the first criteria. The price must be what? In a mature downtrend. So let's connect our high to see how the formation works. The last side connected from here to here is perfect. And another one is here. This goes here to here. You notice something here? So we're waiting for what? We're waiting for breakout. So if we have a very good momentum candle that breakouts here, we are what? We are targeting this high if possible. But let's see what happens. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. You see a very good breakout. So this is a very good breakout. Then to tell this is a very good breakout. So we're entering. As we enter, here should be our what? Our stop loss. And this may be our first take profit, but you should not target here because of the distance did not make any sense to win. The distance very small distance. So we got to get this fair value gap here. You get the point. So this is the place you got to target. This is our target You get the point. So this first zone is our target. Let's see what happens. So almost 1:1. It's not a good trade anyway, but we got to be conservative on where we take our profit. That's the major thing that young traders battle with. They don't know where to set their profit. No matter how good a trade is, you must set a proper take profit and stop loss, because without that, I don't think you're going anywhere. You get the point, because markets can never play longer than you think. You get the point. I may lose this trade, but I want to show you things that nothing works 100% sure in trading. You want this trade, you want this trade. So that's how things are done. So I can go on and show you more examples, but I don't want to make this video longer. So this trade is one. This trade is one. But if can play this more now, you find out that this is a losing trade. Do you get the point? So let me play it more for show you that this is a losing trade for those of you who don't know where to set their stop loss. They take profit. Sorry, some people will be targeting this zone as their take profit, this supply zone as their take profit. So see what happens here. See what happens. Let's see what happens. See what happens. Fine. See, the price came down at this zone. And take your what? Take your profit. Take your stop loss out and push ups immediately. That shows you that market knows what they are doing. That's why you need to focus on your take profit and stop loss. You get the point. It's not about finding a good chart pattern or finding a good entry. How do you manage your take profit and stop loss? Because for me, the reason why I choose this very zone is because this is a very good fair value gap. The price must come back to fill this gap. That's the reason why I need to study more. You get the point. So see you soon. I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.